What's up everyone, Rami here, and today I'm excited because this is the first episode of my massive tech unboxing, and I have some pretty cool and unique gadgets to show you guys. This is how it will work. Every time you choose which gadget I should unbox, and I will give you a couple seconds to think of it, and I will read your mind and unbox the gadget you want. Go ahead, pick up one gadget. Okay, I think you chose the big one. Let me show you this. I will not take too long unboxing this one because the full review is coming soon and I don't want to spoil it. So make sure to subscribe to be notified when it comes out. To have a quick idea, this is the 360 robot vacuum cleaner S9 from Smart Life. The claims are high and I'm so excited to test it out. Autopilot technology, LiDAR, SLAM algorithm, and HD mapping. I guess this is a Tesla of vacuum cleaning. As I said, stay tuned for the full review. Okay, now that we got rid from the bigger box, I'll give you a couple seconds to choose the next one. And I think you chose this one. This is the aluminum card holder by Exter. There are tons of aluminum and metal wallets, but this design convinced me more because it's slim, minimalist, and practical thanks to this quick release mechanism that lays down the cards for an easier access. You can insert up to 5 or 6 cards and use the expandable backplate for more cards like IDs. Overall, a nice and well-built wallet that will finally replace my main leather one. This costs $79, but there is an interesting 30% off if you click the link below. And go ahead and pick up the next one. Okay, I think you chose this one. This is the SOARAISE HandWarmer / power bank. This is supposed to recharge your phone using the 10,000 mAh battery, but also warm your cold hands if you're outside or maybe skiing. Weird, right? You got a USB-C port for recharging the device, and a USB port to recharge your phones, and a power button to switch between two modes, charging or warming your hands. If you choose the second one, you will get 3 heat levels. And actually I was skeptical at first, but this really gets hot very quickly on both sides and effectively warms your hands, while displaying the temperature. This is gimmicky, but if you really suffer from cold hands, this might be a good solution. Get this one to warm your hands and just occasionally charge your phone, but not only for the power bank function, because there is no fast charging support and the battery drains faster when you use the heating function. Links in the description. Okay, go ahead and show me the next gadget now. I think you chose this one. This is the Gigi MM-N2 battery base for the Nest Mini, and it allows you to move the Nest Mini around the house without the need for a charging cable. The setup is very easy. Just place the Mini over the screw and push it back to the charging plug and it's on. There is a front power button along with the battery LED indicator, and this can last for 30 hours on standby mode and up to 20 hours on playtime. The nice thing is the ability to plug the original Nest Mini charger into the base and normally use it without losing battery. I like this one. It costs around $35 and you can find links in the description. Again, it's your turn to choose the next gadget. Go ahead. I think you chose this one. Let me unbox this. This one is my favorite security gadget by Gatekeeper Access. I have reviewed their original version 3 years ago, and now they have this new Halberd Wireless Key. I don't know if this bad packaging is the retail one, because for $60 I'd expect a better presentation. But anyway, don't let this fool you because this is an interesting device. Okay, this is just a keychain. You have USB connectors, some cables and batteries, and the Halberd key itself. This is mainly a security physical key that allows you to log in and log out from your laptop just by being around it. No password required. Just download GK Access software, Register yourself or manage multiple users in case of an enterprise solution, set up your information and configure locking range, plug the USB sensor into your computer or use the extension cable, and now whenever you get far away from your laptop with the key, it will automatically log out. Get near it again and it will log in with no password needed. Plenty of customization are possible in the software, like touch to unlock or pressing the key button for that. For some extra security, I'll leave links for the Gatekeeper in the description. Now we only have 5 gadgets left. Go ahead and pick up one again. I think you chose this one. So I have already unboxed this before, but I will quickly show you how it works. Okay, this is a device I had for a while now. A neck fan from Torras. Hot summer days are no longer here, but if you live somewhere hot or regularly work out, this might help you. This is a bladeless neck fan, so it's pretty secure. It works on a rechargeable battery via micro USB, and the idea is to place it on your neck and freely adjust it to point to your neck and face. Then enjoy fresh air flowing through these holes. You can select from 3 speed levels for stronger cooling using the power button, while the battery will last you up to 6 hours depending on your use level. I find this very practical, but for $60 this is definitely overpriced. But anyway, links are below in case the price goes down. Now to the next gadget. And you chose this one. This is a FIFINE K678 microphone. This is a USB condenser mic with unidirectional polar pattern. There are tons of microphones out there, but out of the box, this heavy stand along with the microphone feels very premium for the $70 price. This is actually a very well built device. On the bottom you got the USB port for powering, a headphone jack if you'd like to listen to your live voice from the microphone, and this mounting port along with a mount adapter for an external stand. The device comes with 2 volume knobs for both headphone and mic, and a mute button on the front side. Here is the moment of truth. I've been using the Snowball mic for 2 years now, and here is a quick sound comparison without any extra edits. This is me speaking through my old blue Snowball microphone with no extra edits. And this is me speaking through the FIFINE microphone with no extra edits. And now this is how it sounds after some editing. This is me speaking through my old blue Snowball microphone with no extra edits. This is me talking through the FIFINE microphone with some extra edits like noise reduction and other adjustments. FIFINE is definitely a louder microphone, but it picks up more noise around it. But after editing, I like its results more. I think I'm switching microphones, and you can too by following the link in the description. Now we have only 3 gadgets left. Go ahead. I think you need a headphone. I think you chose this one. This is the QuietPlus 50, a budget $50 Bluetooth headphone from Tribit Audio, a well-known audio company focusing on budget performing products. You got a USB charging cable and a headphone jack, so good luck with finding a smartphone with that port. Anyway, Bluetooth is here, and out from the carrying case, the design is pretty nice. Matte black finish and lightweight build. You got the power button that also activates the phone's voice assistant, an on and off switch for ANC, and volume controls that you can use for skipping songs. They easily fold for an easier carrying, and they are decently comfortable to wear for a long time, thanks to the soft cushions. This is not Bose comfy style, but good enough for the price. They sound good for music, especially with noise cancelling on, since bass is a little bit amplified when activated. I can safely say this is a good package for the price. Links in the description. And now I have 50% chance to get it right. Go ahead and pick one and tell me if I got it right. You chose this webcam because you're working from home and you need one. Let me unbox it for you. This is a TENVIS HD Webcam. I ruined this box, but anyway, this is a handy gadget for home office life. In the box there is a small tripod that you can freely adjust. That's a nice addition. And this is the webcam. It has this attached USB cable, an integrated microphone, and it is also flexible for multiple mounting options. On the top of your external monitor or by screwing the tripod and adjusting the webcam head position to the wanted angle. Once done, just plug the USB and here's the video quality. Not a smartphone-like picture, but good enough for your work meetings. The camera has a sort of a fisheye wide angle at 120 degrees, and I suggest you throw some extra lighting at it to get a better image. It costs about $35 and you can check its links below. And finally, you don't have actually the choice, but I will be unboxing this one. And finally, these are the Tekken Wi-Fi smart plugs. This package comes with 4 plugs. Unlike all smart plugs, you can place these around your house and turn your dumb devices into smart ones. A desk lamp, a fan, a coffee machine, the options are there. Setting up the Tekken plugs is very easy using the Smart Life app. Once done, you will be able to turn them on and off from the app, set a timer so they automatically go off, or set an automatic schedule. Also, you can link the plugs to your Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa for voice control. So if you're thinking about getting some smart plugs, I recommend these ones by Tekken. So hope you found this helpful. Leave a thumbs up if you did and tell me how many times I really got it right. As always, thanks for watching and catch you guys in the next one.